It's been a while since I've spoken to this camera, so was really good on my day ones. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've vlogged, and I think now would be a great time for me to do a midway checkpoint specifically for this deployment. A lot of things have happened. Specific to my AFSC, my specialty of transporting critical care patients, we've been on a total of 4 missions. I think my teammates 5, me 4. Christiane was able to come in for this deployment, which is awesome because only is in the Air Force where your family could come visit you while on deployment, depending on where you deploy, of course. But been able to do some awesome missions, and we actually got coined a couple times for the mission. Let me show you one coin. I can't show you the other coin because I signed an NDA for that one. So this coin is specifically the award for excellence, and this came from the Army. We transported one of the Army's patients who was actually super high risk for demise, and that was a really hard transport. And looking back on it, like, thank God we did it because that was a really good experience. So things I've learned so far within my 3+ months of being deployed, I have something to do. Very important to have something to do because it gets very boring while waiting for missions to drop. And if you don't have anything to do, it's going to eat at you and you're gonna end up becoming depressed. Another thing I've learned so far is you will find out who you are on this deployment because you have a lot of time to yourself. And I'm one who actually likes being by myself. However, it feels like even though I have teammates and other people who have deployed here with me, on our days when we're not doing missions or we're traveling, I have a lot of thoughts to myself. So I feel like I've grown a lot in solitude, and at least understanding like what I want to do with my career. So that's one of those things that it's taught me so far. And I think the last thing that I probably have learned so far on this is the amount of sacrifice that you make, because 6 months, that's actually a long time. Compared to the Army and Navy, they do 9-month deployments. 6 months is a lot of time, and that's literally half of the year of your life. It's making me it's actually made me question whether or not I want to continue to do this Air Force career. But of course I want to continue to do it, but you have those thoughts of like, I kind of want to go travel. You see your buddies traveling, you see them doing other things, but you have to remind yourself why you joined the Air Force. And I no longer have those thoughts. But other than that, we have a little under 3 months left before we get to go back home. And I'm actually really excited for that because everything's starting to become very mundane. And I'm tiring out, bro. I really am getting tired. And I can't wait to sleep in my own bed. I can't wait to cook in my own kitchen. And I can't wait to drive my own car. But besides that, this is my halfway check-in with this deployment, and I'm going to do one more video regarding the deployment, and then we'll go from there. Besides that, y'all take care. Hope you guys are doing great. See y'all in the next video.